Hello everyone, I'm here to present our paper, Getting Better Dialogue Context for Knowledge Identification by Leveraging Document Level Topic Shift. In knowledge-grounded dialogue systems such as information seeking or question answering system, finding the correct pieces of information to generate the response is crucial, and it is even more challenging when the knowledge base is large. Let's look at an example here. We find information about the benefit of a spouse in one document. However, the information about the currently being asked question of SSA online account only available on a different document. And this task is called knowledge identification, in which we need to find the correct grounding text span from one document that the next agent response need to refer to, given the dialog context and the knowledge base as the input. For this task, information retrieval approaches are applied, and most of them follow the dense passive retrieval framework with two encoders, one for the knowledge base and another one for the dialog context, with the dot product as a similarity metric. In this work, we only focus on one piece of this framework, which is the dialog context. The motivation comes from our observation that there are multiple topic shifts throughout the conversations, and most of the time, different topics are grounded in different documents. Let's look at our previous example. We had a transition from the topic of spouse to the topic of SSA online account, and the relevant information of these two topics are in different documents. So we wonder, instead of using all previous terms, will including only terms that are grounded in the same document as the current term in the dialog context will improve the knowledge identification performance. Our results show that this is positive, and based on the verification, we propose a simple algorithm to automate the process of finding top K relevant passages. Basically speaking, we keep track of a list of documents that has been used for grounding so far, and we built a bird-based passage checking model to find the best document for the dialog context from that list. The details are omitted here, but you can find it easily in our paper. 3 model has been experimented. For the dense passage retrieval framework, we only modify the input to the model, specifically which terms are included in the dialog context. Baseline model just use all previous terms as we normally do, while the oracle model only include terms that are grounded in the same document as the current term in the dialog context, assuming we know the gold standard labels. We also report our proposed algorithms results for comparison. Here are the results with the recall at K as the metric. You can see that the oracle consistently outperforms the baseline. This supports our hypothesis that including only terms grounded in the same document as the current term resulted in better dialog context. Our algorithm also outperformed the baseline with an even bigger gap in data where the conversation are grounded in multiple documents. So to conclude, we believe blindly using all previous terms at the dialog context is not only a good approach, especially for multiple document grounded conversations. We also verify our hypothesis that including only terms grounded in the same documents as the current terms result in better dialog context for knowledge identification. And finally, we propose a simple cascading algorithm to automate this process that yielded improved retrieval results for multiple segment dialogues. Thank you for your attention. Any questions are welcome.